today we're gonna be doing a kind of a natural hair video, okay? So I actually have my natural hair in a silk press. I'm gonna show you guys how I add more length and more thickness instantly, okay? No glue, no sewing, no none of that, okay? I take my hair from its natural state to a little bit more glam. If you guys are ready to see how I installed and styled these, keep on watching, y'all. Every winter and fall, I like to give my hair a break, and I actually have a silk press, but I've been super stressed, you guys. I've been going through so many life transitions and a lot of stuff going on in my life right now, and my hair has been shedding so bad, super bad. My hair is super thin. I can't do anything about it. All I can do is stop stressing, you know. But since I want to wear my real hair, I thought this would be the perfect time to try some clip-ins. And I got these really awesome clip-ins from Ondibu hair. Y'all know all about Ondibu. I've worked with them so many times. Like, they have awesome luxury hair, okay? So they sent me over their Coarse clip-ins, and I have 26 inch. In each pack of clip-ins you get 5 pieces, and this is how it looks fresh out of the bag. Really gorgeous hair, you guys. Full from the root to the ends, and it's triple weft right here, so you can get, you know, a nice full clip-in. That way you don't need a whole bunch of clip-ins in your head, because I am really sensitive. I really don't like clips and such on my head, but I do like that their clips are small. It has a little piece of silicone in there so it won't slip, and so it can be nice and comfortable. So you get 2 small clips, 1 medium-sized clip, and you get 2 large ones. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and take down my natural hair. My natural hair is actually thriving. It's just so thin to me, you guys. It's almost like the density of my hair is so thin. It's really thin right here. So I'm definitely gonna give up braids for a while. Over here I cut my hair when I had those goddess locks, so I won't be doing those again. No goddess locks and no small cornrows anymore, because I need my hair, okay? I would definitely recommend starting off with freshly straightened hair or silk press or something like that. So to put in our clip-ins is really simple. You just want to start by parting off a section. So I'm gonna start, where's my ear? So I'm gonna start like below, no, like the middle of my ear, and I'm gonna make a part. So I'm gonna go in with the medium piece first. So it's really that simple, you guys. I added the first clip. I'm gonna make another part like right on top of here, and then we're gonna go in with one of our large clips, okay? So I'm gonna do the middle clip first. I hope I'm in the middle. I should did this in my bathroom so I can see my hair. Now we're just gonna repart the front. I'm not going to use the shorter clips because my scalp is really sensitive and I don't want to put anything near the front because I'm already experiencing a lot of thinning. So we're just going to rock it like this, and I'm going to do some layers just to blend it all together. Just going to start from here and just cut down like this. After I layer it some, that's pretty much how it looks. So you don't want to skip layering your clip-ins, okay? So I'm done cutting it. And you guys, I just love how natural it looks. It looks so much like my hair. This is all mine right here, and these are the extensions, and it literally looks like my own hair. So what I'm gonna do now is some nice curls in it, in the extensions and my real hair, and then I'm gonna wrap it while the clip-ins are still in my hair, and then we're gonna get our end result. So we are done curling, and now we're gonna wrap all of this in a wrap like it's our natural hair, okay? All right, you guys, so you wanna have your net ready. It can be quite the task wrapping extensions. We're gonna take this side and just go over like this. And we're gonna continue to wrap. Now, obviously, we're not brushing super hard on our scalp because we have on clip-ins. You have to do this part fast. You want to get your net. So I'm gonna leave my hair wrapped for about 30 minutes and I'll be right back. Now this is an optional step. You don't have to do this step, y'all. I just do it because I'm extra and I'm extra. I love these so much. I want to give my hair a break, but I also want the extra length, and it just looks super natural, y'all. Like, look at that. It kind of looks like I have tape ends or something. So yeah, you guys, if you want some quality clip-ins just to add that length and fullness to your own natural hair, definitely check these out, you guys. Like I said before, this is luxurious hair. It feels luxurious. It looks luxurious. It's amazing. And I've used Ondibu before. Their hair actually lasts a very, very long time. Ondibu really, you guys, they really get it when it comes to virgin raw hair. Like, this hair, it blends in with my natural hair like crazy. And it's just clip-ins, and I only have in one set, so one set is literally all you need. And you guys, is so full. I actually did go in and color mine jet black because my natural hair is jet black. So I always have to color my extension. Now because this hair is luxurious, it's up there. But if you guys check the description bar below, use my link and you will get a special discount on your order. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. Please don't forget to thumb this up, comment below, and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys in the next one.